Say hello to my little friend. Ba-boom! This semi-automatic rifle is hands down one of the fastest I've ever used. Now, not only that, but it also gives you this cool optical light right here that you can see your targets at night. On top of that, it also comes with a large magazine right here and a ton of Nerf bullets so that you can fire away at your targets. And what I personally like about this is that it's got this really cool design and looks great. Now, it also has both suction and these bullets right here, so you can choose which options you like best. And on top of that, this is seriously a lot of fun. So if you want to get your hands on this right here, you can do that by checking out the link below.